Friends, today we'll discuss about KNN, which is K nearest neighbor method in Python. First, I will show you how to install Python in your how to install Python in your PC. Then I will discuss about the IDE, which is PyCharm. Then we'll discuss about KNN theory. Then I will write code and explain line by line and show you the result. So now we have to go to Chrome or any other browser to install Python. Here we are in Chrome and we need to first find Python for Windows 10 in Google search bar. Then the first results come Windows Python release for Windows. Okay, then you need to click that. Then you can see the latest Python release. We need to click on the first link, latest Python 3 release. Then we are here in the page for download. As your system, you can select. I will select 60 for executable installer for Windows. You can select as your desktop configuration. Okay. Download from the executable installer and installer on it your PC. I have already installed. After installation, we have to check whether it installed or not. For that, we will open command prompt and we'll type Python, and then we'll write a code, Python code, which is print hello. As you can see, it's print hello. That's mean Python is working on your desktop. Now we'll install PyCharm, which is IDE or developer environment. By using a IDE, you can code easily, and it will help you while you are coding. Okay, now we'll install PyCharm. For that, we need to first find PyCharm in your Chrome browser or any other browser you are working with. First, then click on the first PyCharm Python IDE for professional developer JetRain. It is from JetRain. Then go to download now, and here you can see here is two version, a community version and professional version. Community version is free source and open source, and the professional version you have to pay it for our project. Community version or free open source version is enough. Okay, we need to download from that. We'll download the community version. I have already installed so I will not download it and install it on your PC. Now we will discuss about KNN theory. So first, show K is equal to something. It is the theory for KNN. I will discuss how the theory will work. So here is the data set of 3 persons A, B and C. A has 100 for good habit and 3 bad habit. That's why we categorized A as a good person, and B has 100 good habit, 2 bad habit. We categorized him as a good person. Then we'll show C has 5 good habit and 99 bad habit, and we categorized him as a bad person. Okay, now the problem is D, who have 90 good habit and 18 bad habit. Now using KNN we will show what the type of D. Okay, for that we have to find K value for A, B and C. For A, you can see here is K. uh, we have to find the value of K using the formula. For that we first put 104 minus 90, which is good habit, and bad habit, which is 3 minus 18. Using that, you show that the value of A, value for K for A is 25.8 and B 18.7, C 100, and the nearest value is, or the smallest value among these three is 18.7, which is for B. So we'll categorize B. We'll categorize D as B, which is good. So I think you all understand the mathematics or theory behind KNN. Now we have to implement using a code in Python. We'll do it in PyCharm. Okay, open your PyCharm, then you will find, then click on new project. You will go in page something like that. Then we need two libraries. I will discuss about the libraries later on this video. One is pandas and another is sklearn or scikit-learn. Okay, I will discuss about. First we install that in PyCharm. For that you have to go first in file, then go to setting. After setting, select project, then select project interpreter. Okay, then we need to install two libraries. For that you have to click on the plus sign, click on the plus sign and search for pandas, PANDAS. We need to install the libraries as this is required. I will discuss PANDAS, pandas. Here you can see, here is the pandas. Install the package is from below, pandas, and we'll need another library which is scikit-learn or sklearn. Search for sklearn and install this on your system. Here you can see, and install these libraries. Now I will discuss about that. Okay, then go to the code, but then we need to code for the KNN. Okay, now we listed the coding. First we need to import the libraries. I will discuss about the libraries. Import, we are importing pandas library. we import pandas as pd. Pd is any name, you can go for your name too, but everybody use pandas as pd, so we are using that. Pandas basically work with the matrix form. uh, we need this because we need to read a cvc file. Okay, I will discuss. Now we are going to import scikit-learn. Scikit-learn I am discussing. Scikit-learn will do all the mathematics for us. We need to import from scikit-learn or k nearest neighbor method, which is k near neighbor classifier. Okay, k near, it will do all the mathematics for you in the machine. You don't need to worry about the mathematics. Okay, now we will discuss the later part. Okay, as you can see, df is a variable, you can use anything. Okay, now pd means pandas read cvc. It is a code to read cvc file from your desktop. I have located my cvc file in my storage. I will discuss about what is in that cvc file and what we are going to code. Okay, okay. This will read the cvc file. It is the ability of pandas. Pandas work with the matrix. cvc file have row and column, so pandas work with cvc file. Okay, then we'll go to file and see what we're going to do. Okay, look, there is a flower called Irish, which is three types: versicolor, virginica, and salosa, which we can classify it based on their sepal length, sepaloid, and petal length, petaloid. This is three types. We can classify that using their sepal length and petal length. We have a list of that in our CSV file. Okay, here is the data file. You can see that. I will upload that if you wish in my video below. Here, as you can see, here is a data set. We have like 150 data in this data set. We'll upload that in our code and we will see that. Okay, as you can see, we load the data here, and now I will print that whether it is correctly uploaded or not. I will just print the font or the first 5 lines. Okay, for that we have to print df head means first 5 line. Okay, I here it needs some time because of processing. Yeah, the data list is big, so the machine needs some time. Okay, it is the ability of pandas library. This will fill the first 5 lines. Okay, if you have any doubt you can comment. As you can see, it's printed the first 5 lines. Okay, okay, then we'll go on. X is any variable. I'm explaining what I am trying to do. df.lock, you can think what the lock function is working for. Lock basically select the column. Okay, here what I'm trying to, I'm selecting the 4 column which is sepal length, sepaloid, pedal length, and pedaloid. I will not select class in X. I will just select the first 4 column in X. Okay, and all rows in this dataset. As you can see, the first sepal length to pedal with the 4. We not select the class. We will select class in Y. Okay, that next that means all column, no, all rows, and the 4 columns in Y. I am trying to select the only class. Okay, that is the function of lock. If you have any doubt, comment on this video. I will make your comment, your problem easy. Okay, then we have to go. Okay, I think you all understand the code. Now we are importing k nearest neighbor classifier from scikit-learn. Knn is any variable which is representing k nearest neighbor from scikit-learn. It will do all the mathematics from x and y as we defined. Okay, now we will put the value of x and y in this mathematics or scikit-learn, and it will help us later on. Okay, now we'll knn here is any variable. Now we'll put the value of x and y in this knn mathematics. Okay, we put the value of x and y in this knn. Okay, in scikit-learn. If you have any doubt, you can comment. I will clear them later on. Okay, Now I am trying to do get the test value of knn in a variable which is k test. It is any variable. Okay, now I'm trying to do k. I'm importing to do the another CVC file which have our test value. That means for which we need to get the result. Okay, I have located in my E storage, and that test file is named as book on CVC. I will upload that if you wish. Okay, now look what is in this book on. In book on, I here is, as you can say, 3 data, but there is no class. We need to find the class for this data. You can edit this data, you can put data as you wish. Okay, I will find the class for that. Okay, as you can say, we import the book on CVC which don't have the class. We have to find the class for this data. For that, what we do, we are making a variable prediction which will collect the data from ktest. Okay, xtest. Okay, wait. K predict for xtest. That's mean whose data I am giving. It will give the prediction based on that. In book on CVC, I give the data in ktest. Okay, now we will print the prediction which will be result. Okay, wait, I'm doing. I'm printing the prediction or the result. This will show the class. Okay, I'm removing print because I don't want the list now. I want the result. Okay, we are going to result here. As you can see, the result has come. You can also we have 3 input and here is the 3 output. Like, comment, subscribe if you like. Share this video to your friends to know. Okay, thank you for this video. Thank you.